Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa napakaganda naming nanay. Thank you, Nay, sa pagtanggap mo sa akin bilang anak-anakan mo. So, ang wish ko lang sa iyo, Nay, yung masaya ka palagi. Enjoy, I love you, Nay. Enjoy your day. I love you. Happy birthday, Nay.
Hello! Happy birthday, owner! Wishing your day filled with love and laughter. Cheers another years of amazing memories with us here in POM family. Thanks for being such a good friends of everyone, mga kapatiran. And stay healthy and pretty. And also, happy third monthsary kay owner Starfire at kay founder Kaping Barako. And stay strong. Laban lang. Diba? For togetherness. Kasi walang forever pag walang together. God bless! Happy birthday and happy mut-mut sa inyong dalawa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mami Owner, happy birthday po. Stay pretty, stay kind as you are. I love you. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello. Gusto lang kitang batiin. Ako pala si Miss Hana, ang isang moderator sa inyong Ligitan, ang Ligitan ng Pride of Mindanao. Mami, happy birthday. Love you. Ingat ka lagi. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo o sa ating lahat. Sana pagtibayan ang inyong relasyon ni Ama at nang kami ay dumami. Yun lang, gusto lang kitang batiin ulit ng happy birthday. Love you, Mami. Ingat lagi. Miss Hana lang naman.
Happy birthday, Honor, and birthday is more than just a celebration. It's beautiful reminders of life and precious pleasing love and gratitude. Once again, happy birthday to you and God bless you always. And once again, sa nagmansari, happy mut-mut sa inyong dalawa ni Boss Benti and ni Mami Scorpion. Ayan, stay strong sa inyong dalawa and more away but walang hiwalayan. Ayan, but no love contract. Ayan, thank you. Love you all, guys. God bless you all.